Asterisk title, How to Generate 10 Lakh Rupees Monthly Income in 2024, a comprehensive guide asterisk. In today's rapidly changing economic landscape, achieving financial independence and generating substantial monthly income is a goal for many individuals. With the right strategies and dedication, it's possible to reach a monthly income of 10 lakh rupees in 2024. In this guide, we'll explore various avenues and methods to help you achieve this ambitious financial milestone. ###1. Entrepreneurship and business ventures, ****. Start a scalable business, ****. Identify niche markets or emerging industries where there is potential for growth. Launch a product or service that addresses a specific need or pain point within that market. Online business, e-commerce, SaaS, software as a service, digital marketing agencies, and content creation platforms offer significant income potential with relatively low initial investment. ###2. Investment and passive income streams, ****. Stock market investments, **** invest in blue chip stocks, dividend paying stocks, or explore opportunities in emerging sectors such as renewable energy, technology, or healthcare. **** Real estate investments, **** rental properties, REITs, real estate investment trusts, and property development can provide steady cash flow and long-term appreciation. Cryptocurrency and blockchain, with careful research and risk management, investing in cryptocurrencies or blockchain projects can yield substantial returns. ###3. Freelancing and consulting, specialized skills, leverage your expertise in areas such as IT, marketing, finance, or design to offer freelance services to businesses or individuals. Consulting services, provide consultancy services in your field of expertise, offering personalized solutions and advice to clients. ###4. Passive income streams, dividend investing, build a diversified portfolio of dividend-paying stocks or invest in dividend-focused mutual funds or ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Rental income, invest in rental properties or utilize platforms like Airbnb to generate passive rental income. Digital products, create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or software applications that provide recurring revenue. ###5. Financial planning and wealth management, Seek professional advice, consult with financial advisors or wealth managers to develop a personalized financial plan tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. Diversification, spread your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk and maximize returns. Regular review, monitor your financial progress regularly and make adjustments to your strategy as needed. Additional resources and free consultation. For personalized guidance and assistance in achieving your financial goals, we offer complimentary consultations. Contact us at +91 9864170343 or +91 9864855058 to schedule your free consultation today. In conclusion, achieving a monthly income of 10 lakh rupees in 2024 requires a combination of strategic planning, diligent execution, and a willingness to explore new opportunities. By leveraging entrepreneurship, investments, freelancing, and passive income streams, you can pave the way towards financial success and independence. Remember to seek professional advice and continuously educate yourself on financial matters to navigate the journey effectively. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब English ****. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing Ki Duniya. I am Durlab Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
Thanks for watching. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।